Good day, everyone, and welcome to the BTC Light Brigade YouTube channel. I want to thank you all for joining us today. Today is Tuesday, March the 11th. I hope your trading went well today. Let's take a look at the BTC USD chart just to see what happened today. And over here is the entire session. This is when Asian session started. Okay, so this would have been the evening of the 10th. All right, so market's been going down, down, down. So we're looking for sell trades. So when our time signal kicks in here, immediately we get this bullish candle, and we want to ignore that. Wait till the market comes under it. So it does a little sideways action here, and finally we get a nice bearish candle underneath here. We can sell this candle. Market comes back up, long wick right at our time signal resistance that it created with another bearish candle. That's confirmation for a short again, or if you didn't short here, you could short here again. Down to our next time signal right here. Market's ran quite a bit, so we may be looking for supports. And in any event, this area here on the daily chart, it bounced here a few days ago. So we would be looking for longs here anyways. As soon as the time signal kicks in, we draw our support line here. We get a nice bullish candle here. We can go long. Market comes back. It tests that exact level with more bullish candles. So we're good for the long. All right, so at this point, like I said, this was the support on the daily a few days back. So maybe we want to start looking at buy trades from here on in. Here's our next time signal. Nice bullish candle there. We can go long here. Market comes back, tests this exact level, starts going up again. We do have a time signal here. Market dips slightly under, but we wait for it. And you wouldn't go long here. These are, very small candles, and they've got wicks on them. But here's a nice decision candle. So we would go long here. All right, market goes up to our next time signal, starts going sideways across there. Our next time signal hits, we get a nice bullish candle here. You can go long here, stop below here, and the market takes its time because another time signal hits here. That might be a resistance, so it's sort of caught up in these two time intervals until it finally breaks out here. All right, we get a nice move up. Next time signal is here. After this red candle closes, we draw our support line, bullish candle. We can go long here, or if you waited for a bit of retrace, another bullish candle here. The market comes back, not quite to that level, but anyways, it starts to take up, but then it starts to go sideways at that same level. So at this point, you might want to get out somewhere here. Besides, you have another time signal coming up. Now, I said before, when you have a bunch of time signals together, just be careful. And here we're into the New York session, but as you can see, our our support and resistances are being respected here. Look at this one. The market long wick comes back up, tests it here, starts going south again. All right, and here another one, bearish candle breaks through it, test, down again. We come down here. This is like a 50% move of this entire move up here, which usually happens. So we want to draw our support when this red candle closes here. Let me just see if I can blow that up for you guys. Right here, when this red candle closes, our time signal starts. So we want to, well, it started here, right, technically, but we want support. So we're going to wait for that candle to close, draw that support line. Next candle is a nice bullish candle that closes above it. This one can't close below it. Nice, huge, bullish decision candle here. Market comes back to test it. Long candles are tested, usually about 50%, as I say. So if you waited for that retrace and got in here somewhere, you're good to go here. All right, next one here. We're looking for longs, remember, off this point. So ignore this. Market pushes past it. We can go long here. We get up here. We start seeing wicks, bearish candle. You might want to get out here, or if you stayed in, that was fine too, because your stop would have been under here. Next time signal is right here. After this red candle closes, when this one starts, that's where we draw our support. Next candle is a nice bullish candle, we can go long, and we get a nice trade off there. And we're at the end of the day here. All right, so let's zoom out again. Let's just see the entire day's market. You can see how we got these beautiful trades, short here, long here, and then all these longs off these levels. And see how our analysis just allows us to see this support and resistance. And just want to remind you guys that we've done this a day in advance. All right, so we knew this was coming. I mean, here we're into the 12th, the next day. This was a time signal, so that's why I have this line drawn right here, and we can't get past this, so we may be in for a little bit of retrace here. We'll have to see. This is another time signal, so let's watch to see what happens here again. Early on in the Asian session, of course, not the best time to trade. Ideally, you want two markets open, Asian and London, or London and New York. So the time you trade is very important as well. Not to say that we're not going to respect these time intervals or support and resistance levels that they create, but you may get smaller moves when only one market is open. All right. Okay, and so now the forecast that you've all been waiting for. This is for Wednesday, March the 12th. We've broken it down into the three sessions, Asian, London, and New York. The first times you see listed on the Asian session are actually for March the 11th evening. And just want to remind you again, I'm in North America. I use standard time, so all these timings are in standard time. So yeah, you know what to do. You've seen the past videos. Just mark out all your times with vertical lines. See what happens when the market comes to those, and trade accordingly. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll join you again for another recap and another forecast. Thank you.